For 2 Terran cycles, we have elucidated the proud histories of his Imperium. The indomitable warriors of humanity shall never relent in their purge of the mutant, Xenos, and heretics throughout the stars. Noble warriors.
Ah, much better. So tiresome is this human's tawdry tales of such lesser beings. Noble, it says, venerable even, pathetic. It is time to eschew these parables of these primitives and teach you of the true inheritors of the galaxy. I have many names and titles, accrued throughout the millennia. My name is Tomek, but you may call me the Omniscient.